back to the channel and you're watching Photo with MOTO'JI, and NAWAB is back with another video. In today's video I'm going to shoot film, and that too out in this rain, and this is my first time, so wish me luck and let's hope that the images turned out great. So the combination for today is Kodak Colorplus 200 and a point and shoot from Samsung, and this is the Samsung Pheno 25 DLX. If you have watched my previous video, I have used the same combination. So let's load this. Here it is. So as this is a point and shoot, you just have to place it over here and close the lid, and we have our first shot ready. Right now I'm keeping it on auto, so it will hit the flash if required, because this is a 200 ISO film and right now the lighting condition is not in our favor. It is quite dark. That's it for today. Almost shot a roll of film, and it was a quite difficult task because it was raining, and as you can see I was holding this umbrella in my hand all the while. Right now it has stopped raining. So the scans are out and I am not that satisfied with the scans. Frankly speaking, not that satisfied, because in every image you get a heavy vignette on each side of the image, that is dark portions on each side of the image. But if I take this as a positive, you get your attention drawn towards the center of the image, but not this time, because it almost ruined every shot. So I will show every image that I created that day with a little bit of explanation. As you can see that there is, on the right side there is some lightly present in this image, and I will give you the proper reason why this light leak is present over here. Again, there is a light leak present in this, but this image also looks great. Okay, so over here almost half of the image is burned. This is what happens when you open your film in between while you're shooting. The reason behind this is, if you have noticed in the starting of this video, when I was showing you that I have kept this camera on auto, at that time my battery percent was very low and I forgot to check it before stepping out. My camera was not performing properly. I noticed that something's wrong with this, so I tried to open the film, and I knew that if I open it right now I am going to expose my film to light, and this is the only reason why there are light leaks in my images. So still I try to cover my camera with my umbrella, but if you open it in the middle of the shoot you are going to get light leaks. So after that I walked almost kilometer or two and I purchased new batteries, and after replacing my batteries, this was my first image that I took, and I am really happy with this image because this image has a sort of emotion in this image. I hope you guys enjoyed this short rainy day film photography POV video. You can let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite image from all the images which I showed you in this video. And also, if you love film photography, I would suggest you to subscribe to this channel, because I have few videos lined up which are related to film photography. So if you love, or if you want to become a film photographer, consider subscribing to this channel, and I am damn sure that I will give you the right information about film. तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही। कैमरामैन कामिल यूसुफ के साथ नवाब, चाओ। And don't forget to hit the like button, because I forgot to mention it.